It is our job to make the driver app easier, safer, and fairer. And all the products that we will talk about today came from your feedback.
Let's talk about Uber finally ending tip baiting with a catch.
I like this one, actually.
Gotta love the catches.
Yeah, well, there's always a catch, but I do understand why. So if you're doing deliveries, this doesn't happen. Tip baiting, that happens only on deliveries, right? And it doesn't happen on rideshare. But this has been going on, and so there is no tip baiting in DoorDash. Uber Eats is the only one that they allow tip baiting, meaning consumer getting the food and then eating it and going to the bathroom and shitting it out and then deciding not to take the tip back, which is in what fucking world, right? So now, and when a ping comes in, it's going to say guaranteed included tips. So how this works, you'll now see a guaranteed badge on the trip requests. The total amount you see is what you'll get after you completed the delivery. If a customer reduces the tip after delivery, which happens very infrequently, but it has happened to me, and it has happened to their own CEO when he was delivering in San Francisco. If a customer reduces the tip after delivery, Uber will cover the difference. And if the final tip amount is higher, you'll still keep 100% of it, meaning you'll still keep what you saw on the ping screen. In instances where tip guarantee will not apply, the guarantee won't apply if the tip is added as a percentage of the total order and the basket size is reduced later. That I agree with, actually, but that's in the case of shop and pay orders. On a food order, the basket size usually never changes. So if you're doing Uber Eats, this pretty much guarantees tip baiting is gone from Uber Eats. The reason for it is, once you order the food, it's very, very difficult to go and take an item out. But if you do order groceries, if you do order other things, alcohol or whatever it is, because Uber delivers everything, yes, you may tip the person, the courier, as a percentage, which I do in most cases. But then as a grocery delivery order, you can always go say, oh yeah, I wanted that extra milk or extra dozen eggs, so I don't want it. That's when Uber says you'll still get a tip, but you won't get the guaranteed amount, which I understand, actually. The guarantee won't apply if all or part of an order or a batched order is canceled or reassigned. I get that. And the guarantee may not also apply in cases of suspected fraud and violations of community guidelines. I get that too. But I think,
how easy is it for them to say, oh, we expect it, or we suspect that there's some sort of fraud going on, and therefore we're not giving you the tip?
No, it happens, but I think this is long time coming, and I think this is good news for delivery drivers. Still, no tip, no trip, folks. Don't just work for a base, okay? Don't do that. But I think this will, in my opinion, this will eliminate tip baiting on food delivery orders. On groceries, the guarantee may not work as well as anything else, but I like it.
Yeah, especially if it's a percentage, and somebody just put, why am I only getting half guaranteed? Well, that's why, because a lot of people are going to use percentage based when it comes to a tip versus putting in an actual dollar amount. So
look at Raphael. He goes, Boston Ironman is offline this couple of weeks.
Okay, there we go.
Don Julio in Mexico. Hey,
enjoy. Hey, you worked hard. Enjoy.
Atlanta Ironman put up another 4K week, Raphael. I don't know, my man. Your crown is in danger.
Let him enjoy his time.
Let him enjoy. He does this. He does this every quarter. He takes off.
I know. I'm saying, let him enjoy.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club, with Sergio and myself. Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.